Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. My name is Laddie and today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for a traditional Goan breakfast or tea time snack. This delicious snack is made with ripe bananas, flour, sugar and other ingredients. They are soft, puffy, deep fried to perfection and have a deliciously sweet banana flavor. Our recipe for today is Sweet Banana Buns. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 ripe bananas, 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 4 tablespoons of sugar powder. Sugar powder can be made by grinding sugar in a dry mixer. 1/4 cup of curd, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 2. Preparing the dough. Place the bananas in a plate and peel open their skin. Mash them using a fork. Once the bananas are completely mashed, add the sugar powder and mix it completely with the banana paste. Banana mixture is ready. In a mixing bowl, add the flour or maida. Add the cumin or jeera seeds. Add the salt. Mix everything nicely. Make a well in the center. Add the curd. To learn how to make curd, refer to our homemade curd recipe. The link is provided on the top right hand corner of your screen now. We have also provided this link in the description box. Add the turmeric or haldi powder. Mix it well with the curd. Add the baking soda and mix everything nicely. Add the banana mixture in the bowl. Mix everything properly.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Knead and bring the dough together as one ball. Make a soft dough. Knead for at least 10 to 12 minutes.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
If the dough is too soft, add a little more flour. If the dough is too hard, add a little more curd. Do not add any water while kneading. Add a little oil in the bowl in which you are going to keep the dough and apply it all over. Roll the dough in the bowl so that it is nicely coated with the oil. Dough is ready. Cover it properly and let it rest for at least 8 hours, or it is best to keep it overnight. Step 3. Preparing the banana buns. The dough after it has been rested for 8 to 10 hours. Put a little oil on the surface and apply it all over. Place the dough. Cut the dough into 4 equal parts. Then cut each part into 2. So now you will have 8 equal parts. Form each dough part into a smooth ball.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Eight dough balls are ready. Keep the dough balls covered at all times, otherwise they will become dry. Apply some oil to the surface on which you will be rolling the buns and also on the rolling pin. Start rolling the dough balls. Roll them gently, not too thick and not too thin. Don't use flour to roll the buns as the flour tends to come off while frying and settles in the oil, making the oil opaque and messy. Roll all of them and keep them covered. You can also use your fingers like you are making a pizza and flatten the dough into a round shape. Make all the buns before you start frying. Keep the rolled dough covered at all times, otherwise they will lose moisture and dry up. Step 4. Frying the banana buns. On medium heat in an open, thick bottom pan, add sufficient oil for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, test the oil with a piece of flour. The dough should come to the surface of the oil immediately. Once the oil is hot, gently place the dough in the oil. Fry each bun until it is golden brown on both sides.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Ensure that it is not over fried or burnt. Once golden brown, remove the bun from the oil. Place it in a strainer or on a paper napkin. Fry all the buns in the same manner. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Deliciously sweet banana buns are ready. Enjoy sweet banana buns hot as a breakfast or an evening snack with a nice hot cup of tea. Do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you love watching our detailed recipe videos.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.